It is a privilege for us, Mr. Money Press, to have you join us. With each video we release, you can anticipate learning fresh advice regarding the most recent reviews and techniques for making money online. We continually study the top performers from around the world here. These cover a wide variety of subjects, including health, technology, Bitcoin, stocks, investing, and many more. In this video, we will talk about the 7 effective ways to make money quickly. If you're strapped for cash right now, you should watch this video. Hey there, how are things going? If you believe there are additional online money-making opportunities for you to take advantage of, you can simply continue living your most amazing life while earning a recurring, automated income. Why wait until you're 75, 85, or 100 years old to start living your life when you can start now? We need to go over a blog post that outlines 19 practical quick money methods and see if we can identify 7 that could actually be effective. It's fine if none of these solutions work. Since we have 2 certain methods that will actually make you $2,000, we realize it sounds absurd, but if you do this today, you could actually end up with $2,000 by the end of the day. The purpose of this is to introduce the Nielsen application and quickly earn $50. Do you want to earn money just by browsing the internet? Nielsen's Client Portable Board will guarantee you $50 today. Even though this is a legal matter, this is our right, and it appears that there are people who do this for $50. You're not considering your time because we need to do a few studies nearby and earn some money from that location. First off, it's doubtful that it will be what you want to accomplish up until the end of your life. Number 2, it's probably not in line with your motives. Do you know what you're motivated by? As a result, for my reasons, similar to yours, we just believe that this is a pointless exercise, given that you have invested a lot of time and effort in order to earn $50. It was only $50, though. First of all, if $50 is the amount of money you need right away, you'll face a lot of challenging problems, such as character difficulties, which are much more urgent than your personal accounting and training. If $50 is a problem, then that's fine. The second method is to earn money by taking surveys. We could not say whether you are aware of this, but your brain has, in a genuine sense, helped mankind get by for many thousands of years. If you need to quickly bring in money, assume that you are spending all of your energy answering questions in your head. This brain is extremely sharp and clever, but we don't make use of it. We occasionally use it to note overviews, surveys, and other things. When this device enters endurance mode and really has to push you to discover creative methods to bring in money, it will find a way that will actually allow you to obtain a lot more cash flow faster than you ever thought possible. Aside from that, if you need fast cash, the best thing you can do is to approach someone who has a lot of money and find out what their biggest problem is. You also deal with the matter that will generate money the quickest. Your time should be the most valuable resource you keep to yourself, and you should constantly consider how much of it you are wasting by spending time with people or viewing videos. On the other hand, does this allow us to grow? If the question was asked previously, I'd like to suggest just not doing that ever again. You're about to give yourself a huge time-saving gift. Another is to view records in order to swiftly obtain money. Back when we were in school, we tried our hand at it by browsing the internet. There was this one moment that made us want to watch many recordings of it immediately. We were highly critical of this film while watching it, so you know what their perspective is. This is the exact way you can tell that larger businesses are extracting more information from customers so they can sell more of their goods to people and help them conduct brain research. In any case, they are profiting from the information you are providing them by tens of thousands, if not millions, of dollars. Correct? Those are 2 distinct mindsets. Could it be argued that you will consistently try out new tricks to make quick money? We've always done this, you know. When money was tight, we had to think about our assurance, our connections with our family, friends, and companions, as well as our financial situation. Another option is to collect the $10 that Rakuten has already purchased on eBay. You went out of your way to watch this video, right? You took advantage of the chance to invest time and money in mastering these things. It will take you exactly the same amount of effort to earn $100 every day, $300 every day, or $10,000 each month. The biggest difference is that it's significantly more simple since there is less competition because people think it's too difficult when in reality, it's significantly simpler because there aren't that many others doing the same thing. After that, this one receives a lot of free money in the form of awards, information exchange, and loot bucks. So it's kind of redundant. In addition, even though we had a 4-room house, we Airbnb'd our parlor and additional rooms to the point where we were living with our parents in a single room as we only needed to make extra money to pay the mortgage. This was done in case anyone needed a place to crash. That seems like a respectable approach, right? Renting out anything you own is always a wise decision if you need money right away. Golf clubs, bicycles, your clothes, and your room are a few examples. If you can lease stuff you already own or get paid for what you already do, that is fantastic. Everything there fits the fundamentals. The other things up to this point don't really meet the requirements. People who earn a lot of money receive discounts from parts. Okay, you need to make quick money, which is excellent. But you also need to make lasting money, which won't come from depending on discounts from the products you buy or even from the government. We need to find a means to make more than just quick cash in order to live decent lives. To do it, however, in a way that brings us more wealth. We want to figure out how to generate money every 3 months. You'll realize that it's not because you don't have the money. It's the fact that you're not getting the results you want from what you're doing. Consider letting go of your ego for a moment. Do Uber and dog sitting, and pay attention to what you read in each and every blog post on how to make money quickly, but currently have the mindset that this will never again happen. I've come across several travelers who earn money by teaching English to Chinese children. Chinese children pay more, particularly when they live in China. Many people only insist that their kids should speak with Americans. Additionally, it's incredibly interesting since some of the kids don't understand what you're saying. They simply need to be saturated with the American accent, am I right? In addition, we are aware that solving a significant problem is the best way to create true abundance. In order to accomplish this, we'll continue to teach for as long as it feels necessary. By addressing a significant problem and developing a solution. So the most efficient method is obviously going to businesses. According to Yelp, there are a ton of businesses that require assistance, and you can actually come in and pull up restaurants. These restaurants aren't really cafes because they have low net revenues. The best approach to making money is to locate someone who owns a business and properly address their difficulties. Getting their businesses online is a challenge for many of these people. You know, with everything that happened during the pandemic, everyone is now aware that they can't rely on word-of-mouth advertising and that they need online advertising. There are so many ways you can actually do it, whether you decide to provide these people with video services, photography services, course creation assistance, Facebook advertising assistance, or email advertising assistance. I'm letting you know that it took a lot longer than you would have thought. The fastest method was working with local groups or organizations at large, or selling expensive partner things that simply say, people, hopefully this makes a difference. That's all for today. If you're looking for a method of earning online easier, let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like, subscribe, and the bell to get notifications on new videos when they are posted. Until next time.